Hello, this is Jaime Lee from Sim Regional Library. Today I would like to introduce you to a technique called chromatography. Chromatography is a process that you use to separate the different components of chemical, so you can identify or study what component that make up. So basically what you do, you take a coffee filter, washable marker, and water. So the way you can do the chromatography is color one of these coffee filter like a ring like this. Fold the filter in half, fold it in a quarter, then fold again into 1/8. And you will put coffee filter into a cup filled with water. And notice how the color starts separate. So while we're waiting for final products to finish, we can go ahead and look at some of the samples that we have made. So all of these beautiful colors made out from the same technique. And what you can do with all these wonderful, beautiful coffee filter, you can do a different type of art and craft. And this one is very cool with chalk in the background. And also you can do butterflies or flower bouquets. So today I will show you a simple flower to make. You take same coffee filter, fold it in half. You want to make sure the layer overlapping like this. The next step is to simply gather the bottom of this coffee filter into a fold like these to form a nice beautiful flower. And I use Q-tip. I color with marker for color in the center. And basically you'll wrap this coffee filter around this Q-tip. So take pipe cleaner, simply just wrapping around like this. Now you have a beautiful flower. Now some of you might be interested to learn more about chromatography. Please follow our website by going to the links appear on the screen and look at the beautiful color of these inside this cup. So you can try this technique at home. I hope you enjoy watching this today and hopefully to see you next time.